Mr. Galanos, you have the floor. Good afternoon. Thank you for the invitation. Congratulations for this excellent event where every year we have the chance to listen to very interesting speeches. And I have the honor to be joining this panel. I represent a manufacturing company. We manufacture battery systems. Since 2006, the company has been established, and I will try to add a slightly different view to the topic of discussion, which is energy transition. I will try to highlight the technological innovation. 11 countries in Southeast Europe are served by our company, and the projects are a wide range from small to large scale. Now, it is clear that renewables, and especially PV penetration in Greece, is an issue of paramount importance. We see an interest for more installations, more penetration, and the market is asking for more. We have the problem of electrical space that needs to be addressed. And we heard it being said already many times today that one solution for this problem are energy storage systems with batteries, among other things. Sungrow has addressed this topic for some years now, and I think that we can help because in the UK there had been similar problems with the grid. The battery systems followed the renewables development, and today there are continuously new installations that are being established. Sungrow can offer services for a more stable network, and of course, it can help to support the investment interest. Recently, there was a tender in Greece on storage. There are more such tenders to come. Of course, there are also the hybrid systems that can go along with PV, not only standalone systems. Excuse me, says the speaker. And a big issue is the innovation and technology and the solution that the manufacturer will offer that will add value to energy transition and green development in the country.
Τα συστήματα της αποθήκευσης ενέργειας μέχρι πρόσφατα.
One example, until recently, the storage systems were air-cooled. This was a technology that was used in the past, but there has been rapid developments in the last years. Now we have water-cooled systems that are much more efficient and safer. So this technological superiority does not only mean more attractive costs for investors, they also mean that the system are more safe and have a longer life cycle. Another important point is the integration. It is important for the life of a project. We hear about turnkey projects This is related to the quality control in a plant. So vertical integration from the battery cell to the end product. This is important for investor risks to be minimized, because this means that you only have one risk point, that of the manufacturer. Another issue is that the traditional inverter manufacturers should look into storage systems with a different view, not only in terms of the supply. Such systems should be accompanied by services that provide added value. For example, O&M services, service agreements, multi-annual or augmentation services, which provide that the system will be operating and will be yielding energy after a certain number of years. The whole industry should get away from the conventional mindset revolving around the sale of a product. Here we're speaking of a fully integrated product that ensures the viability, sustainability, and attractiveness of investment. Especially with these systems in Greece specifically, I believe that we can create extra electrical space. We can help not only PV, but also other technologies connect to the grid. And at least for the next few years, they can solve their problems. So these are my few remarks.